Hi guys, this is Shubhi from the New Bricks. I'm going to take you to the interiors of this beautiful villa that is built by the New Brick in Sector 39, Noida. If we talk about the area of the villa, we have 3 floors and the total area is 6400 square feet and the area of the per floor is 1600 square feet. The front is 30 feet and the depth back is 54 feet. Now let's move to see in the beautiful interiors of the villa. Come. Were you stuck here? This is a biometric safety lock that TNB had installed from Godrej. Now let me tell you about this door. The door's material is veneer and the shine you see is the Emporio polish by Asian Paints. Now come inside. This louvers we have installed over here, we want to play around the wall. We didn't want to keep this entrance much simple, so we had installed louvers here. And as you walk in through the stairs, I'll be taking you in the next video through the second and the third floor as well. This is a painting by wallpaper by Sanskriti, not a painting. Now let's move inside. Okay. So when you come in, this is a dining cum drawing area, and come here. We have used wall moldings on the walls, and here is we haven't used tube lights. We have used these ceiling lights and chandeliers, and this is a big room. Now let me take you through those two bedrooms we have here. But first of all, let me take you to the kitchen. That is on our right. This is the kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. We have played with two colors here, the dark and the light one. Both are PU, but the above one is metallic and the below we have non-metallic. We have G-shaped handles, and you can see it is rose gold color. It's very beautiful, very spacious kitchen. The kitchen is basically U-shape. You got the countertops on both the sides, and here's the basin also. So let's move towards the bedrooms. Come. This is our dividing space. Let me take you to the first bedroom. It is veneer we have used here. These are tiles, and we have also used these cove lights, if you can see. These are cove lights, and here you get a wardrobe. The best feature of the wardrobe that I like the most is it's not marble, but it feels like a marble. It is basically a plywood on which we had done insignia paint by Asian Paints again. You get a open area over here. I'll show you the area afterwards, but let me take you through the bathroom. Yeah, we have got sensor lights in this. And the bathroom is also very spacious. We have used very neutral color tiles in the bathroom. Come, let me take you through the second bedroom. It's the second bedroom again. Here we have veneer again, the tiles and those cove lights. Now let me take you again through the washroom. Now as we move towards here, I think this is our wardrobe again. Same features, insignia paint, Asian paint, and it's beautiful. Like off camera I can see, and it feels like a marble. It's very good. Let me take you through this. It's a coffee area. You can hang out here. It's very good. I love the area. I love the vibe. Here we have used these wall moldings over here, and you can utilize the area as in for reading hall, for coffee area. we have a washing area. You can use it as a washing area. It's spacious. The area is very spacious. You can use it as your washing area, and yeah, we are done with it. This is the first bedroom again. This was all about the first floor. In the next video, I'll be taking you to the second floor as well.